promoting it online. Talking about all these 4 P's, there is 1 P that people are now much focusing on, and that 1 P, do well. I can say it do well when it comes to marketing. It does 50% of the marketing strategy. And this P that I am giving as a bonus is Purple Cow. This P is discovered by Seth Godin. Seth Godin is a marketing strategist. He's very specialized in marketing and he knows much about marketing. So he came out with this P. It is doing very well in business. And this Purple Cow just means that it is, we can tag it as USP, unique selling proposition. That is where you find out about the difference in your selling, the difference in your promotion, the difference in your product, how you want to approach the market differently from all your competitors. Let's say in his book, The Purple Cow, if you are walking on a road and there are a lot of cows on the road, you've been walking for about 5 kilometers and you've been seeing white cows, you will get to a certain point that you are no longer interested in any cow, in seeing the white cows that you have been seeing before. So when you get to a certain point and you have seen a purple cow, a cow that is purple, it is different from all the cows. It will really grab your attention. It will grab your eyes. It will grab your throat. It will grab your ears to stand and look and listen more about what that cow has to offer. That is exactly what the purple cow in business does. When you are seeing the same product, the same marketing strategy, the same places that they sell them, the same prices, the same promotional technique, and you get to see one product that have different offers in all these 4 things, then it grabs your attention. Say, wow, why is it that this product is having these different things? I have to look at it and see what it has to offer. So with this strategy, lot of businesses that take this strategy are really doing well. So as startup, if you focus on all these 4 things, I will urge you go into looking at the 5th one, and that is the purple cow. Look at the purple cow. Look at what difference that your product have. Look at the unique selling proposition that you have to offer. If you go into a football studio and you have seen that all the people there are wearing green shirts, all those people in the football studio are wearing green shirts, and you get to find out that in that studio only one person is wearing red shirt, your mind will click. Why is this person, all other people are wearing green shirts, but that particular person is wearing red shirt? The camera will really grab that person and all eyes will be on that particular person. So if you apply it back into your business, it gives that, yes, all people are really doing this, but your own is standing out. People will really want to know why it is like that. Thank you for watching this video, or you are listening to the audio program. If you are new to our channel, we please you subscribe and click on the notification bell, and also share our videos. It will help us. Subscribe for more videos like this. We love you.